Sorkar India ka pratrik ujumang arajar arpsan kalayo ya kalat Pynsngew Hakhmat hagari Iran lor ka Hiar Thma ka jongka yaki kitemle no kibadan nakari Pakistan bat kani kalawan na ka jingelang jong ka Joint Commission ka ba arpho hapdeng ka India bat ka Iran ka balong hanong ba Delhi hakani ka jingelang ya ka India la Hakhmat do Myntri ka tanat External Affairs u Dr. S. Jaishankar bari ka Iran do Foreign Minister Syed Abbas Arakchi. Kani kajing yakendu mentau snem kalong kapor baka New Delhi baka Tehran ki rakiru ya kajing dap new pusan snem jong kajing yasai ya ke India Iran Friendship Treaty. Bara kate kajing yalang baro arliang mamla kini kren ya kajing yadai baro kawai ban wad ikilat kilinti ki batmai ban Pynsngew ya kajing yadai ki balai dan rupa. Ujai Shankar habakren ya kate kajing yalang ula Pynsngew da kabaong baka jingwan ka jongki ka de ka por baka India ka jubab ka jing Shah thombor ka Shyrkhei ba ka jing Hiar Thma ka India ka long ka bla thmu ba shim jingkhen ba na ka ba pen pau ba ki kam jong ka India ki de ki bla thmu kerpang ban pen pra ya ki jing te bla bat de ki le no Pakistan ba ki banta jong ka Punjab Ujai Shankar la ong la don ka jing Hiar Thma de ki Shipai ya ka India kamde bandon ka jing artitien bat ka India kan pen I da ka jing le ka ba Kham Shyrkhei bat ban bendra bakum ki para marjan bat ki parlok bajan ka long ka ba kongsan bakum ka Iran kan don ka jing snothu ka ba bha ya ka jing long jingman.
The 20th India-Iran Joint Commission meeting today. In recent years, our cooperation has progressed in many aspects. There are also situations that we need to address. Prime Minister Modi and President Pezeshkian have met in Kazan in October 2024 and given us guidance on how to develop our ties further. They've also had a phone conversation on 26 April. Excellency, this is the 75th anniversary of our diplomatic ties. It is a reminder of the closeness of our collaboration and the deep friendship between us. I'm sure that we will mark the anniversary appropriately. Excellency, you are visiting India at a time when we are responding to a particularly barbaric terrorist attack on 22nd April in the Indian Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. This attack compelled us to respond on 7th May by striking at cross-border terrorist infrastructure. Our response was targeted and measured. It is not our intention to escalate the situation. However, if there are military attacks on us, there should be no doubt that it will be met with a very, very firm response. As a neighbor and a close partner, it is important that you have a good understanding of the situation.
Habatien, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya